Losar Hangmalo. Welcome to my channel Himalayan Dumplings. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kiki and I share Tibetan recipes both old and new. I do share my videos in English with the hope that non-Tibetans around the world can also easily understand and appreciate our beautiful Tibetan cuisine and culinary heritage. And so with Losar right around the corner, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional rice dish that we call Droma Dresi. So let's get started. For rice, I recommend using Basmati rice. Butter can be salted or unsalted, and that's called Droma in Tibetan, which are basically small, wild, reddish, dark brown roots that are found in the grasslands of Tibet. It's got a really earthy, slightly sweet flavor. That's golden raisins as well as dried cranberries, and lastly, some sugar. Only if you're using Droma, then I recommend you cook that first because it takes the longest. Make sure you rinse it really well before you cook it on medium heat for about 25 minutes. I've tried all the different ways to cook Droma and this is the fastest way to do it. Remember, you want your Droma to have a slight crunch to it so it kind of snaps when you break it, just like I'm doing here. You don't want your Droma mushy. I recommend using Basmati rice because it's fragrant, light, and fluffy, perfect for making desi. But if you don't have Basmati rice, you can use jasmine rice as well. The key is to make sure to rinse really well so you can remove as much starch as possible, which is what makes your rice sticky and lumpy. Once done rinsing, then you add the water to your rice. I add a little drizzle of oil on the stove top. Cook your rice on medium heat and bring it to a boil. In the meantime, go ahead and soak your raisins or dried cranberries in hot water so you make them nice and plump. Give the rice a stir once it boils. Then we'll cover it with a lid and turn down the heat to low for about another couple of minutes before it cooks. From here on, it's a matter of mixing all your ingredients and your Droma Dresi is ready. If you haven't used Droma, then we would simply call it Dresi. This is one of the first dishes Tibetans will eat on the morning of Losar. Droma Dresi or Dresi is often paired with puja, Tibetan buttered tea, and it is customary to offer a pu, the first serving of your Dresi, at your Losar altar or shrine. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Losar Tashidele Tsangmalo Tuchana.